Yesterday, my assistant and I went to Western Appliances to check the purchase date of my unit and learned that I bought it in June 2023. Since it is no longer covered by Hire's warranty, I called a technician to have it evaluated. When he opened and tested the unit, it was working perfectly and became cold. I really appreciate the Hire technician for his professionalism and thoroughness. When the room reaches your goal, the inverter simply slows down, it doesn't stop. This steady pace is what makes your bill lower and your unit last for years. Also, don't forget the eco button. It tells the compressor to run gently, which is perfect for sleeping or long afternoons. Step 3. Maintenance and airflow. To keep your AC strong, you must be a good housekeeper for it. Clean your filters every 2 to 4 weeks. A dirty filter makes the motor choke and work twice as hard. Seal the room. Keep doors and windows shut tight. Use curtains to block direct sunlight. Use a fan. Pair your AC with a simple electric fan to circulate the air. You'll feel just as cool at 26 degrees Celsius as you would at 24 degrees Celsius. Health, longevity, and big discounts. I also want to share some inspiration for my viewers, especially those over 60. We need to stay healthy and strong so we can enjoy life. Did you know that at Four Seasons Viking Buffet, they offer incredible discounts? If you are 60 or older, you get a 50% discount. And for those 80 years old and above, it's a massive 75% off. Imagine enjoying a world-class buffet for almost nothing. This is why we take care of our health, to live longer and enjoy these rewards. So, eat well, stay cool in your AC, and keep moving. The future. Perovskite Solar and wrap up. Finally, I'm so excited about the future of energy. Have you heard of perovskite solar systems? These are next-generation solar cells made of special crystal structures. They are thinner, cheaper, and more efficient than the old silicon panels. They are coming for home use in the very near future. Soon, we can run our inverter aircons using the power of the sun through these high-tech, thin film cells. I hope I can install it ASAP. Stay healthy, stay cool, and keep looking forward to the future. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. At Four Seasons Buffet, I love indulging in their fresh salmon sashimi, tender roasted beef, and savory roasted pork. I also enjoy the variety of meats for shabu shabu, along with their wide selection of juices, specialty drinks, coffee, and desserts. Plus, it is a tradition of mine to celebrate my staff and workers there. When it's their birthday, they eat for free. Today, my workers have finished painting the walls, and I can't help but feel proud of what we've accomplished together. They, along with their boss, are patiently waiting for the next project, and it makes me happy to see their dedication and teamwork. I am thinking about the next step, adding a ceiling to cover the center space and maybe creating an extra, air-conditioned kitchen. A place like this is not just for comfort, it's for health and well-being. It makes it easier for older people like me to work on the computer, take walks, run a little, and enjoy good, healthy meals without strain. These small changes in our surroundings can make a big difference in life. They help us stay active, safe, and happy every day. I am deeply grateful to my team for their hard work, and I truly appreciate every hand that helped make this space better. I hope that sharing this journey inspires you to think about your own home, how small improvements can bring more comfort, health, and joy to your life. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to show you the next step of this project. Let's continue building spaces that make life better, one thoughtful change at a time. Imagine a small home in the Philippines, where the sun shines almost every day. The family living there used to worry about high electricity bills, especially during the hot summer months when air conditioning and fans were running all day. Then they installed a perovskite solar system on their roof. These panels are different from traditional solar panels. They are lighter, flexible, and more efficient. Even on a small roof, they can capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. Every morning, sunlight touches the panels, and the house is powered with clean, renewable energy. The children can study on their computers, the parents can cook, and everyone can enjoy modern comforts without stressing over the electricity cost. But it's not just about money. Perovskite solar panels are helping the environment by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. They are an example of how innovation can improve daily life while caring for the planet. Families across the Philippines can now access affordable, sustainable energy, giving them independence and security. This new technology brings more than electricity, it brings hope, comfort, and a brighter, greener future for everyone. Perovskite solar panels are small but powerful, showing us that with smart solutions, we can harness the sun to light up homes and lives across the country.